find it.
And so, their adventure begins.
Look, Bruno, a forest of glowing mushrooms.
And crystal caves. This place is amazing.
Hold it right there, adventurers.
A mole, a fluffy cloud that talks.
To find what you seek, solve my riddles 3.
The riddles, but I'm not good at thinking.
Hey, don't worry, Bruno, we can do this together. Bruno, look, a huge nest, and something's glowing inside.
The star crystal, let's grab it and go.
Oh, wait, we shouldn't steal it. Let's wake the dragon gently.
Young one, your kindness shines brighter than any crystal.
And Mr. Dragon, we need the crystal to save Starfall Valley. May we have it, please?
You have earned it with your pure heart. Take it with my blessing.
Thank you, Star Dragon. We'll use it wisely to save Starfall Valley.
Back at the heart of Starfall Valley.
The magic returns. Starfall Valley sings once more.
We did it, Lorraine. We're heroes.
The real magic was inside us all along.
Take this star, a token of your bravery and kindness.
And as they return home, new adventures await.
I wonder what other magic is waiting to be discovered.